Here's Billy. Temperatures well below freezing this morning. It's going to be cold for much of us for much of the day as well. And we've got some rain coming in across Scotland and Northern Ireland, moving east. But some of us will see some sunshine. But you're quite right, cold with a keen wind.
All right, thanks very much. Hey, Carol Kirkwood.
I wasn't on Twitter at all last night.
So,
sorry,
how
Shannon.
cold is it?
Well, pretty cold this morning. Temperatures last night fell to -12. That's pretty cold. At the moment, they're hovering for some of us around about -7 and -8, but most are below freezing except for in the west. Now, today it's going to remain pretty cold as we go through the day. We've also got a keen wind, and that is going to accentuate the chilly feel. So first thing this morning, we have the set of fronts just waiting in the wings in the Atlantic. They're going to bring in some rain, but look at the isobars in the west, close together, indicating the strength of the wind, especially in the west. But we're also going to have a keen breeze in the southeast. Now, this morning, these are the kind of temperatures that will greet you. Once again, there's the risk of ice and untreated surfaces across some parts of central and also eastern England, something to be aware of. I ran into some black ice myself on the way in this morning. There's quite a bit of cloud around as well, but as we drift into the southeast, here when the sun gets up, well, it's going to be a pleasant but a cold start to the day. Cold too across Wales, but pleasant with some sunshine to look forward to. For Northern Ireland, the cloud's going to be building all the time just ahead of this band of rain, which will show its hand later on. And you can see too the rain coming in across the west of Scotland by 8 o'clock. The rest of Scotland, variable amounts of cloud, and then once again a cold but sunshine for some of us. Now, through the course of the day, this rain will continue to advance. At least it will help keep the temperatures up. But when you add on the wind, it's going to feel rather cold, raw for some. And on the hills in Northern Ireland, we could well see some snow and some freezing rain across the Highlands and Grampians as well. For the rest of us, some sunshine but cold, some snow flurries in the southeast. These are the maximum temperatures, for example, but when you add on the wind strength, it's going to feel well below freezing. So it is another day for wrapping up warmly, really, wherever you are. Now, through the evening and overnight, there still will be some flurries in the southeastern corner. The rain will continue to advance steadily southwards and eastwards. And again, there's a risk of freezing rain across parts of eastern Scotland. Again, another hazard to watch out for. Another bitter night. These temperatures are indicative of towns and cities. Again, we're looking at -10s and -12s over some of the snowfields through the Midlands and parts of Wales. Now, tomorrow, as this system comes south, it again will bring rain across the north of England, some snow for a time as well, and also some sleet. And across the Pennines, for example, here too, we could well have some freezing rain. But to the south, well, temperatures, no great shakes. It's still going to feel cold. But I do want to alert you to something that looks like it's going to happen Thursday into Friday. This front, as it comes south, is likely to bang into some cold air. Now, like last week, there's some uncertainty about the forecast as to exactly where we could see once again some significant snow. And the areas we're looking at the moment are around about Lincolnshire, in through parts of the Midlands as well, and East Wales. But that could change. So once again, the message is keep in touch with the forecast overnight Thursday and for Friday.
All right. Thank you very much, Carol. Thank you.